myself, Dr. Mittal Patel, working in UN Mehta Institute of Cardiology and Research Center as a cardiac physiotherapist last 9 years. In continuous physiotherapy education, my topic is body positioning. The contents are body positioning is definition of body positioning, purpose of the body positioning, gravity, procedure, types of position and monitoring while giving a body position. Definition of body position. Positioning is defined as a planning the person in proper body alignment for the purpose of preventive, promotive, curative and rehabilitation aspect of health, or placing the patient in good body alignment as needed therapeutically. Purpose of the body positioning: to optimize cardiopulmonary function and oxygen transport. Second one, physiological effect of different body position and changing body position on cardiopulmonary function and oxygen transport. Prescription of therapeutic body positioning. Purpose of the body positioning continue to relieve pressure on various body part, to promote comfort to the patient and to stimulation the circulation. Gravity effect on body positioning. To understand the effect of positioning as a primary treatment in critically ill patient, we needed to understand the effect of gravity on various systems. Example, lung volumes and perfusion. In every position, patients presume gravity will affect. That's why it's important to learn. All the position, if presumed for longer period of time, have some adverse effect due to gravity dependency and other factor. Example, disease, oxygen transport system. It is advisable to frequently change the position and maximize the beneficiary effect of the certain position and reducing the adverse effect of the other position. Procedure. While we give in a body position, for procedure, maintain the good body mechanism, wash hands before and after procedure, ensure patient's comfort, obtain assistance as required. Ensure the mattress is firm and level of bed is at working height. Follow safety measures to prevent accidents. Follow the systemic and ordinary way of doing. Use the right technique at right time. Types of body position: upright position, supine position, sideline position, head down position, prone position, Fowler's position and orthopneic position. We continue with the upright position. Upright position is a physiological position of human beings are same as anatomical position, that is upright. It is a patient sitting on a bed 60 to 90 degree upright position. It maximizes oxygen transport with more uniform distribution in ventilation and perfusion. It improves all the lung volumes and capacity except for closing volumes. Functional residual capacity is greatest in upright standing and it is associated with reduced airway closure and increasing the oxygenation. In supine, it is reduced as much as a 50%. That's why upright position is recommended than the supine as and when it is an allow. In upright position, airways dilates in upright position, that will reduce the airway resistance. It improves the diaphragmatic function and rhythmic respiration by improve neural drive or breathe, reduce pressure on heart and other tissue compared to recommended position. That's why upright position is good. In upright position, the images show the ventilation and perfusion ratio is very good and the breathing are also improved in this position. Second one, the upright position, the images show the hemodynamic effect of upright position when upright blood flow shift from thorax to periphery, that will reduce the stroke volume and compensatory increase in heart rate, but net effect is reduce the myocardial demand. In upright position, urinary clearance. You will see the effect on upright position and supine position. In upright, urinary status is reduced and that will improve the overall hemodynamic. In supine position, the patient lies on back with his head and shoulders are slightly elevated. In supine position, At least this is a favorable position. List of physiological position for human. Examination of the chest and abdomen in this position. The position is used. Decrease the functional residual capacity due to cephalad movement of the diaphragm, diameter of thorax changes, shifted blood volume for periphery to thorax. It will further increase airway closure and increase the work for breathing. Supine will increase venous return from the periphery, which will increase preload and afterload of the right heart, which will causes pressure on the left chamber and decrease preload of the left heart. Increase intrathoracic volume will inhibit the ADH secretion, results in more fluid loss and imbalance. That's why upright position is much more better than the supine position. Third one is sideline position. Compared to supine position, sideline position is a more physiological for patient. In sideline position, increase AP diameter of thorax and reducing transverse diameter. In dependent lung, the viscera push forward to the diaphragm more cephalad. Thus, the functional residual capacity is in between upright and supine. Effective ventilation is enhanced in dependent lung, but functional residual capacity and inspiratory lung volume is reduced. In this images, sideline position, the lung shows the maximal inspiration and functional residual capacity. Maximal inspiration and functional residual capacity in these images. Optimal perfusion and ventilation matching occur on upper one-third of each lung in sideline position, which is more than upright. In sideline, arterial oxygen tension is greater than supine. In case of unilateral lung disease, good lung lying down will improve the oxygenation. And the other, in bilateral lung disease, lying on right lung down will improve. Fourth one, head down position. In this position, the patient is lying supine or flat on this back, but the head is more head down position. In head down position, it improves the diaphragm function in some cases of asthma and emphysema, which is a result in reduce the work of breathing, reduce the accessory muscles use, reduce breathlessness. Patient with the pathology at the basis of lung also improves with head down position. Sometime in case of the lower blood pressure, it is used to improve circulation to brain. Next one, prone position. Patients positioning prone on chest roll, and the positioning of the arms can be somewhat forwarded 90 degree, and that forearm are at the below the table, mattress and surfaces. Prone position, it improves arterial oxygenation, improves the tidal volume and enhance the compliance of the lung, improve diaphragmatic exertion. Prone position, two types of prone position. Abdomen restricted and abdomen free. Abdomen free prone position improves the functional residual capacity, tidal volume and diaphragmatic exertion more than abdominal restricted. When applying to the patient, needed consider tubings, pressure points, especially head. Semi-prone position can also used to minimize risk point with beneficial of prone position. Next one, follows position. It is a sitting position in which head is elevated 45 to 60 degree and the patient knees are slightly elevated, avoiding pressure on the popliteal vessels. Follows position, continue. Backrest and two pillows are used for the back and head. Pillows can be used to maintain natural alignment for the hands and wrist and forearms. It helps to relieve dyspnea and relax the muscle of the abdomen and back and thighs to relieve the tension on abdominal pain. Orthopneic position, high floor position with overbed. Table be placed across the front of the patient. In orthopneic position, leaning forward facilitate the respiration by allowing maximum chest expansion by reducing pressure of the abdominal organ on the diaphragm. It is helps to severe dyspnea, cardiac patient, thoracentis as well as chest drainage tubes patient, especially in asthma patient. Monitoring is also important while positioning to ill patient various objective measures like heart rate, respiratory rate, oxygenation, FiO2, blood pressure, ventilatory parameters. Subjective measures, example, pain, facial expression, discomfort. Frequency of changing should not be time dependent. Book reference by Donna Fraunfelter. Thank you.